Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for today's episode, I decided to share with you some of my top plant-based snack items from Trader Joe's. I've done kind of these my favorite snack type of videos before, but I figured why not focus on plant-based this time around so that in case you are trying to be a little bit more plant-based, you can find some ideas. So if you guys love Trader Joe's, if you love snacking, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with my first item, which is some good old popcorn. But what's special about this popcorn from Trader Joe's is that it is heirloom popcorn, and this one is with avocado oil and pink salt, so really good ingredients already. But the thing with heirloom popcorns is that if you find it's hard to digest popcorn because of the kernels, these don't have it, so they don't have that hard shell part. I love it because if I have a lot of popcorn, then it does really kind of hurt my stomach to digest it. And so I found that when I have these, I don't have that problem at all. So I really like these. All right, next up is some good old roasted seaweed with sea salt. I have a couple boxes here because I do like to sometimes go to Costco and get it in bulk. But these are great because I get kind of that crunch like a chip, but then I get that savoriness because it's salted. And for half a package, it's 30 calories. For the entire package, it's only 60. So I get the satisfaction of snacking without having all the extra calories being put in my body. So I really like this. I think it's a great snack. And you know, it takes me a while to finish a box, which makes it seem like I'm eating a lot, but not really. Next up, I've got something that I've shared with you on my channel a ton already, and that is some good old dried fruit, and this is mangoes. The one thing that I check with whenever I get dried fruits is that there's no added sugar, because the fruit when it dries has all this natural sugar already, and so you really don't need to add more. So this one is just dried mangoes. They do have versions that have added sugar, so you just have to make sure that you get the just mango version, but this is great. I have a couple pieces. It's sweet and it just kind of satisfies my sweet tooth. Next up, I've got another dried fruit. I've got this bag of organic dried coconut chips that are unsweetened, and I love this because again, it gives me that crunch, it gives me a sweetness from being coconut, and yeah, the only ingredients is organic coconut. I also love topping salads with this as well, so if I don't want to just have it as a snack, it's a great garnish as well. But I love these. You definitely want to always get the unsweetened one because when they add sugar to coconut, oh, it's a lot of sugar. So I like this one from Trader Joe's. I've shared this again with you before, but these are some fruit leathers. If you're ever interested in making your own version, I do have a recipe that I made over the summer, I think, on how to make your own fruit leather. I don't find it that cost effective, to be honest, because I use a big box of, say, strawberries, and it only comes up with like, I don't know, when you roll it up, very little amount of dried fruit. So I'd rather just spend 50, 60 cents on these and call it good. But these fruit leathers from Trader Joe's are great because it just has the fruit. For example, this one is apple puree, seedless raspberry, and vitamin C for freshness. So very limited ingredients. You do have to make sure and get these ones because they do have other ones that have a ton of other ingredients in it, but these just have a few. So I like getting these. All right, for a savory snack, I have this savory banana and nuts Trex mix. This I just recently discovered and I absolutely love it. I already got another bag, but yeah, it's delicious. It's got, let's see, banana chips, cashews, pecans, coconut aminos, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, sea salt, spices, onion powder, and garlic powder. I'm a sucker for onion and garlic in anything, so I already knew that I would love this when I read the ingredients on it, and I do. It's delicious. I just have to be careful that I don't eat the entire bag because it's not that big, but it's a great savory snack. All right, this is something that I also recently just discovered, and it is just bite-sized Medjool pieces that are rolled in coconut flour, and they roll it in coconut flour so that it doesn't stick together. But I just love getting a handful of this, a small handful, and just having it as a sweet snack because dates are just so amazing. I love having dates in my bars because they just add such a natural sweetness to anything that you add it to. So I love this from Trader Joe's. All right, and the last item I have are these blueberry almond peanut date and nut bites with chia seeds, coconut, and sunflower seeds. This I was hesitant to get because honestly, when I make my date bars or my Larabar dupes, that's exactly what this is. There's a few other ingredients like chia seeds, coconut, sunflower seeds that I don't usually add, but very easily I could. But I like this because again, it's convenient. I can just grab a few of these and call it a good snack. 2 bites are 120 calories. And basically you already know all the ingredients on it just from reading the front of it. So this is a great sweet snack, especially if you want some sort of dessert after dinners. I love having this on hand. All right, there you guys go. These are my current favorite snacks from Trader Joe's that are all plant-based. So if you're trying to have more plant-based snacks, these are amazing. Highly recommend every single one of these. If you have snacks that you love that are plant-based, please leave it in the comment section below. I would love to try it out because I go to Trader Joe's on almost a weekly basis. So if you guys love Trader Joe's, if you love snacking, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.